Today we are making a tooth with a thinking putty knife, and it's not sharp, right? No. And a bowl. And let's make our tooth. So first we're gonna roll it into a bowl. I know it's all mushed up. So this is ion thinking putty. It's as that says glow. It's now to roll it in the bowl. I'm really good at this. I've actually made a perfect ball, and I'm actually made it. Now we're gonna roll it. This is the second part, and make sure it's not too long. Make sure it looks like this. Then we're gonna use our knife and make a little that, and then we're gonna just make it and make sure that it looks like this, and bend it. Then you make a hole in the top. Thank God and make a hole in there, of course. Why you need a putty knife. I know this isn't a putty knife, but you're supposed to use the Play-Doh knife. I'm just gonna call it the putty knife. So you use the putty knife and cut the top if it's too long. And then you make sure it doesn't have, stuff like that on the top. And now it's a full good tooth. Then we're gonna make a hole in the top. And it looks like it just lost my tooth, because I'm losing a tooth. And then this extra putty, you use it for something if you want it. This is my tooth, and I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe down below and thumbs up.